Hey there guys, welcome back to Carol Sisters. Thanks so much for stopping by if you're new to my channel, and to all my lovely subscribers, thank you so much for sticking around with me up to this time. This is a follow-up for my African threading that I did yesterday, and I just discovered over time that I haven't done a deep conditioning in ages. Like, how did that happen? How did I skip the deep conditioning in all my hair routines? Okay, I know I've done protein treatments, but deep conditioning, I think it's barely like it's over 6 months. Jesus Christ. Okay, I'm not proud of that. You should not be like me, but I'm going to have to learn how to deep condition at least every month or twice in a month. Okay, I mean, I have low porosity hair, so my hair tends to retain lots of moisture for a long time, and then I might get to have products build up. But that does not mean I'm not going to deep condition for more deeper treatments on my hair. So I'm going to do a deep conditioning hair mask today. So guys, stick around, and of course don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and also leave a comment in the comment section below on anything or any other contents you want us to bring up right here. So we'll be right back, guys. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, so at this point, I'm just going to show you the ingredients I'm going to use in preparing my palm oil deep conditioner. It is amazing. The most important and basic ingredient is palm oil, and it has to be pure palm oil, undiluted. Yeah. Some of the palm oils get mixed with colors and all of that, but this one that is actually undiluted. Okay. And then the next ingredient you're going to need is your hair mayonnaise. This is like the regular mayonnaise you use to eat your bread, so more like your Obama, okay, all the likes of it. And then I'm going to add my egret oil, curly problem inspired, which has been infused with all kinds of herbs. And it's really great. Trust me, it's really amazing. And so you need this. I should film a tutorial on how I made that. Okay. I have my yogurt there. Now I have to use this because in to replace the unsweetened yogurt I was supposed to use. So if you have your Greek yogurt or unsweetened yogurt, you better use that because that's like it's more perfect. All right. Okay, so after that, we're going to need our honey, which is really great. It's going to serve like a humectant, going to pull in moisture into your hair and also help to retain all of the nutrients that will be coming in from this product. Now let's get straight to making it. You're going to take 1 spoonful or more, depending on the volume of your hair and the length of your hair. So you need more quantity of this DIY recipe. So you just add as much as your hair can take, and then I had just 1 tablespoon of my honey. You could add two, like I said earlier, depending on the volume of your hair. And now I'm going to add my yogurt. I take 2 spoons, yeah, exactly, 2 spoons. I add that up together, and then once I'm done add up, I'm going to just stir the mixture very well. Then I would add my hair growth oil, a few drops of it. You could use your regular essential oils if you have, and replace them with the hair growth oil. Okay. After that, I'm going to use my palm oil, which is like the most important ingredient in this mix. And then I'm going to blend this in together. Now, this is a great deep conditioning recipe because it strengthens your hair. It helps to infuse the oils and keeps your hair moisturized for a long time. It also reduces frizz and breakage, and it is great for your hair. Once that is done, I'm going to section my hair into 4 sections as usual. If you know, I love to work in sections. So I section my hair into 4, and then I gently tend to work in this mixture into my hair, a section at a time. Look at how yummy that looks. It smells great too, guys. So if you have high porosity, I would really advise that you do this for your hair because you tend to lose lots of moisture. It's going to help you infuse moisture into your hair if you're able to do this like every week or every of your wash day. If you have low porosity too, it's also great, but you would need a bit of heat application. But I didn't use direct heat. Maybe you're watching along the line. While you're watching the video, you're going to discover what I used to infuse the oils. Now it looks like my hair could not absorb this, but after a while my hair did do justice. Yeah, it actually did absorb it because it's low porosity, so it needed heat to open up the follicles, and then allow the oils to go really, really way deep into the hair. Now, oil is great for your hair. Palm oil is amazing, and it would do great job for you. If you should trust me, you should just try this out. The way my hair felt actually when I was done was really great and amazing. And I actually made sure that I coated every single strand of my hair and left nothing out. So I just did a double twist again to secure them because I was going to cover them up, and then I clean up. Now I'm going to have to warn you, this is like a messy situation. So you might want to wear something that you would not have to cry over if it gets stained by the oil. So I wore an old t-shirt. So depending on what you want to use, it's left to you, your preferences, all right? So I'm just double twisting that. So I have bigger twist that's going to just stay locked in when I cover my hair up. All right. So repeat that all through my hair and make sure everything goes all the way in. All right. Okay. So once I'm done, this is what I did. I decided to use the greenhouse method instead of using direct heat. So I covered my hair with two grocery bags, and then after like an hour or two, I had the heat really infused. Now the grocery bags did infuse the set of heat that opened up my follicles and absorbed the mixture into my hair really well. I stayed in for over an hour too. If you're using a steaming cap, it's amazing too. If you want to go under the dryer, it's also nice. You got a processing cap, it's also amazing. So I leave this in for an hour or two, and then I get to wash it off. So we're going to come back and then we get to see what my hair looks like after I take down the cap. There you go. All right, so detangling or taking down one section at a time. That's basically, oh my God. Did you see that? My hair was so soft. Look at that. Now, this recipe is amazing because I gave it to one of the girls on my tribe and she did give me a great feedback. Yes, I'm going to practically like add a link to my Instagram page where you could check out the feedback on my highlights. It was amazing. She loved it. Her hair literally stayed moisturized for days. She told me that because basically over time she said she could not comb the hair, but now it's a lot better. Who doesn't want all of that? So my hair felt softer, moisturized for a longer period of time, and combing was so easy for me. So all I had to do was just wash off with my African black soap that I made, and it was infused with my Curly Proverb inspired egg with oil, the oils that contain all the herbs I told you about earlier. So I just mixed that in, and then I used it to wash my hair. Yeah, as quick as possible. So I had to wash outside because it was like it was going to mess with my entire bathroom, okay? And I didn't want to go through the extra stress of trying to wash off the bathroom. So I literally washed the first section of the oil outside, and then I went in again to wash the second batch. It takes like just two wash, and then the oils are off your hair already. And then you condition if you intend to condition. I did condition with egg and oil conditioner. And then once I was done, that was it. As easy as that. My hair felt like a cloud. Trust me, it felt like a cloud. It was so soft, so easy, and so great. So, guys, I hope you try this out. It was dope. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and also hit the notification bell so you get new content when I come up on your screen all the time. Have a great watch day. Take care of your hair. Bye.